Hi, hello everyone. First of all, a warm welcome to CBS Institute YouTube channel. So, in this video, I'm going to discuss about IBPS RRB 9th notification details. First, we're going to discuss about the tentative dates of application and data and exams. And the second one, we're going to discuss about syllabus. And third one, what is the precautions we need to follow to attain the exam of IBPS RRB. Let's start the details of the notification. In the first one, we're going to discuss about online registration will commence from July 1st to July 21st. If you want to edit or modify, that also commence from 1st July to 21st July. And download of call letter will commence from 24th of August and 2020, and prelims exam for office assistant and scale 1 will commence from September to October 2020. That exam dates, exact dates of exam dates will be going to discuss about upcoming video. And result of prelims examination will commence from October 2020, and the same month to November there are chances to conduct a mains exam of scale 1 and office assistant also. Okay, conduct of interview for scale 1, scale 2, scale 3 will commence from October to November of 2020. And as usual, the result will commence from January 1st of 2021 for the beginning dates. Okay, so this is the tentative dates of your IBPS RRB. So in this one, the fee for SC, ST and PWD candidates having 175 rupees, and other category like general and OBC category is 850 rupees. Okay, so these are the main thing. So next one we're going to discuss about eligibility. Now we're going to discuss about education qualification. As on 21st July 2020, students compulsory completed any degree for office assistant and scale 1, and scale 2, scale 3 they required any degree and special qualification, as well as they have a experience also for a tentative notification of scale 2 and scale 3, and scale 2, scale 3 having only single tier exam, no more of prelims, only single tier exam of mains exam, and directly they conduct interview. Okay, and age as on 1st July 2020, office assistant between 18 to 28 years, and scale 1 definitely above 18 to 30 years, and scale 2 21 to 32 years, and scale 3 21 to 40 years. Regarding into extension of SC, ST and OBC, SC, ST and they have a chances to extension of 5 years, and OBC they have a chances to extension of 3 years as on July 1st 2020. Okay, this is a education qualification and age also. Okay, and the next one we will discuss about the syllabus of prelims for office assistant as well as scale 1. In preliminary examination of office assistant scale 1 seems to be very same, but little bit changes in reasoning and quantitative aptitude. So first of an office assistant, there are 2 sessions, and 2 sessions having equally number of questions, 40 and 40. The medium of exams, so depend on the candidate. If he chooses English, for all states our default language is English, and whether you choose your home mother languages, it's also have a chances to choose your home mother languages, and depend on your application data. Okay, and our marks is totally 40 and 40, 80 marks, and for total duration of 45 minutes. There is no individual time slot for the each session. Completely total time is 45 minutes. So you need to maintain some strategies to choose a easy question first and tough question at last. Okay, the scale 1 is quite different. It is reasoning ability and quantitative aptitude. Here the session, this session is having some light different about an office assistant and scale 1. Here the question levels are moderate to difficult. In this one, we have same chances to choose your mother language or English, and number of questions is 40 and 40. Total marks is 40 and 40 to 80, and duration of time is 45 minutes. And we're going to take a separate video for the high scoring topics of office assistant and scale 1 for upcoming videos. So, and we're going to discuss about main syllabus for office assistant and scale 1 also. First, main syllabus for office assistant is, so here the medium for reasoning ability, numerical ability and computers. It depends on the candidate choices, like they have a chances to attempt examination in state language, and or the chances to write in English also. But rest of the language paper, candidate compulsory either attempt a language paper in either in English or Hindi mode. The rest of papers they have chances to in bilingual, either you choose our English or state language also. In reasoning ability, it's quite different, and like on prelims, so it's a 40 questions but 50 marks. So in the session, what are the important topics that will be going to discuss in the coming video. Okay, and numerical ability in English medium or local languages, and it is a 40 marks, 40 questions and 50 marks. And banking and current affairs is English or state languages, 40 questions and 40 marks. These 3 departments are the crucial department for your selection. So don't neglect these three departments. This is a very important on you. And language paper, either you choose or English or Hindi. It is a 40 question, 40 marks. Computers, so computers either will help in language of English or state languages. It's a 40 question, 20 marks. Orally 200 questions, 200 marks in composite time of 2 hours only. There is no separate sectional time for each session. You need to attend all sessions within 2 hours. So it depends on the candidate nature and how he approach a department. It's a major point. So this is a syllabus for the mains exam of clerk. Then we discuss about scale 1. So in scale 1 we have a reasoning ability 40 questions, 50 marks, quantity aptitude 40 questions, 50 marks, banking and current affairs 40 questions, 40 marks, and English or Hindi language paper, it is a 40 questions, 40 marks, and computer is a 40 question, 20 marks. Orally 200 question, 200 marks in composite of 2 hours. There is no separate time slot for sessions. The oral time is 2 hours. You better to choose which slot is having less time to answering. It is only depend on your practice only. This is the syllabus for the mains of scale 1, and we're going to discuss about some changes noticed in notification of 2020. What are the changes we're going to discuss here? New guidelines and conditions was mentioned by IBPS RRB 2020 for each candidate. So compulsory wear gloves and N95 masks and sanitizer with 50 ml and water bottle separately. If choose as scribe also follow the same condition at security guard checkpoint. And each candidate compulsory bring a smartphone, and smartphone followed by Aarogya Setu app. And if you not have a smartphone, you need to give a declaration form at security guard. The declaration statement placed at form 4 of an exam. So, and students are compulsory tested at temperature. Temperature must be below 99.14 Fahrenheit. So if candidate status moderate or high risk at Aarogya Setu app, will not be allowed to your examination. So you need to maintain your health strategy for preparation of RRB exams also. If you have like a running nose, cough and high fever, you get a big problem at a security guard. So better to maintain social responsibility, and what is the time allotted on your call letter, you better to before of call at allotment time of your call letter, because to avoid a crowd at a checkpoint. So this is the conditions and regulation which was mentioned by IBPS RRB. So stay safe, stay cool, have a bright future, all the best.